Hello and welcome to our channel. If you dream of sophistication, comfort, and timeless style, today's video is just for you. Join us as we explore luxury home design ideas that redefine opulence and elevate everyday living. Let's get started. Luxury in home design isn't just about grandeur. It's about thoughtful details, premium materials, and creating a space tailored to your lifestyle. It's the art of combining elegance with function. Modern luxury homes often feature open floor plans that create a seamless flow between spaces. Combine this with floor-to-ceiling windows to fill your home with natural light and breathtaking views. From marble countertops and hardwood flooring to custom cabinetry and designer lighting fixtures, luxury design relies on high-quality materials that exude sophistication and durability. Choose furniture and decor that make a statement. Opt for unique custom pieces like a handcrafted dining table or an iconic chandelier that instantly becomes the focal point of the room. Transform your bathroom into a private retreat. Features like freestanding soaking tubs, rainfall showers, and heated floors add an unparalleled level of comfort and indulgence. Luxury design goes hand in hand with smart technology. From automated lighting and climate control to integrated sound systems and security, technology enhances both convenience and style. Luxury extends beyond the interiors. Outdoor living spaces with infinity pools, outdoor kitchens, and beautifully landscaped gardens create the perfect environment for relaxation and entertainment. Ultimately, the key to luxury home design is personalization. Custom-built features and tailored designs ensure your home reflects your taste and meets your unique needs. There you have it, luxury home design ideas that blend elegance, innovation, and comfort. Which design element is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium design inspiration. See you in the next video.